Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest error on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out this solution when you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here and you just go down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here in this window, then you just click here on Pinterest, then you come to this window here and you just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK and you just go down, then you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, then you click here on clear cache and you click here on clear data and you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Pinterest app. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.